Hey, welcome back to another episode of Yankee Liv'n here. Brad speaking, and this video is not a very easy one for me to make because I'm really not used to asking for help. And well, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm asking for your help, not only for my channel, but for a lot of the small channels out there, because some of you larger channels may not realize, but a lot of small channels have gotten an email this morning, including myself, that well, at the end of 30 days, if we're not in compliance with what their rules are, we're not going to be able to do any monetized programming anymore. So well, without going into all the details of what the program rules are now and regulations and whatnot, well, but anyways, what I'm getting at is a lot of us have not made the thresholds, and the threshold is 4,000 hours with 1,000 members or subs, and well, I'm pretty far off in that. Yeah, I haven't put a video out in 7 or 8 months, but that's going to change right off here. So hopefully I'll get some content out, and in the meantime, and not only for my channel, but some of the other smaller channels, if you're new to their channel and you haven't seen a lot of their videos in the past, hey, do us a favor and maybe log into a few of those various different videos and maybe take a look-see and see if we can't boost our minutes up. 4,000 hours is a lot of minutes, let's put it that way. And hey, and if you're new out there, or you know somebody that may like the content of my channel and whatnot, hey, ask them to hey, hit that old sub button there and the bell for notifications, and hey, we'll be on our way. And well, like I say, I hope to get some content out fairly quick. So anyways, I hope this is going to help my channel along with some of the other smaller channels. Pass the video around, pass the word around about it. And I'm not blaming YouTube for anything. A lot of people get really upset and start blaming YouTube. Hey, it's a private identity. That's their company. They have the right to do what they want, and I can understand a lot of the reasoning behind this and whatnot, but that still doesn't help the fact it's hurting a lot of these small channels. So anyways, hey, spread the video around, spread the word around. Let's get these smaller channels, including myself, up to snuff, and we'll be all right back into the thick of it, and hey, we'll be all enjoying everybody's video here. And speaking of everybody's video, I got a video queued up in the background here that I've been following along here. This is episode 3, I do believe. Check it out. They've got a great channel. They just moved on to a brand new homestead, and well, they're having a few problems here and there. Not only is it great information that they're going through and whatnot, it's entertaining too at the same time. They do a great job. Anyways, spread it around, guys. Let's help everybody out and see if we can't get through this together. Wherever you are in your neck of the woods, be it morning, noon, or night, I hope you're all having a great one. Thanks for the help, guys. Take care now. Let's get back to the Gilbert Farms video here.